This video is special for people to know how to install interior kit for G-Wagon. Right now, nobody understand, nobody to do that. This work, this complete, fully change interior, complete. With installation, this video, I want to make it for you right now. How to install this interior kit. This interior 2013 model to make it 2025 fully. As you can see, complete the roof, star, and the fully doors, panel, the complete dashboard, everything with console complete. How to install, I will make it video, process, everything complete fully. Then how to do, and I will explain to you how to do this all video, and the process in the wiring, in the cables, all fully plug and play, and how to do it. This especially this video for YouTube, for my followers, and for help the people how to fix, help to the mechanic people, and that's it. Let me show you. The first of all, as you can see, this is the dashboard. When you open the dashboard, you know the cable is that which is the old one, the old cable. See, this is the old cable right now. How to fix, okay? And this is the new AC5 AC panel, as you can see, complete where they fix for the AC vent, and they can do it, see, fully, okay? Right now, this is the new cable, everything, and our technician, they will let me know about this, and I give you more information about this everything. So right now, as you can see, this is the door bracket, fully, okay? This all. As you can see right now, we already fixed the dashboard. You know the wiring that I told you, the old wiring, okay? This all old cable, see? As you can see, this all old cable. And this is the push start key. And this is the screen, cable for the screen, okay? Right now, see? And this is the cable which is come with interior complete, okay? Now we need to open, and I will explain to you where need to fix all. And this is the handbrake, before it was, now the electric. How to fix the handbrake, okay? The handbrake right now, I will let you know how to fix in this video, complete, fully process. Right now, as you can see, complete the dashboard. And this is the ambient light. This is the ambient light, which is the lining here, complete with all, okay? This for the ambient light. And from complete ambient light, for the door ambient light, complete fully. And they came from inside the dashboard and came here, okay? This is the ambient light. See, this is the cable, old one. As you can see right now, we fix, this is the bracket. This is the bracket complete with the handbrake coming, okay? Complete, fully. Need to fix first clip here, first bolt, and fix here, okay? This is the cable which is can fix with, you can check from the battery. And this is the old one cable. No need to remove this one, this is the old one, okay? Just need to put this cable here, so like this it will become. As you can see right now, we already fixed all cables, the cables right now, which is this for the LED, ambient light LED, okay? Ambient light LED, this for ambient light, for mouse control, all, everything. See, and that's it. And this for the screen, okay? The screen cable right now, let me show you. The screen, let me show you right now how I fix the screen cable. This is the cable which is coming with kit, okay? And this is the cable which I fix here right now, okay? That's it. So this is the screen fully. Now we already fixed, okay? It's work, okay? And second thing, this for the steering that we already show you before, and this for the AC panel, okay? And this is for the console, complete console. Is wiring tum laga hai? This is the console complete, okay? Right now, okay? The cable is, it will be look like this. The mouse cable is the mouse cable, and this too for the LED ambient light here, ambient light, carbon fiber, okay? See, right now this is the clock complete. This is the old one. Right now this is the old one which is happy original in the car. This clock complete I give you. The installation, the cable already coming with kit. This the old one, complete. This cable, the old one, and this one which is coming with kit, okay, for this. So you can fix easy here. So now before gear was here, now we move from here to make it off.